initial part of composite material, we have seen the basics of composite material. What is meant by composite? What is matrix? What is reinforcement? Which are various types of matrix material? Which are various types of reinforcement material? How the composite materials are classified? As far as concerned with this different kind of composite materials, maybe it is polymer matrix composite, metal matrix composite, or ceramic matrix composites. How these are classified, the way of classifications, different types of methods of classifications. Then after this first chapter, we have completed the macro mechanical behavior and micro mechanical behavior of lamina. Now for today's lecture, we are going for the manufacturing methods of composite material, and then lastly we will go for the microscopic and macroscopic analysis of laminates. Is it okay? So this is the part of your, as per your part of syllabus. So for manufacturing methods of this composite, various types of composites. So first of all, we should go once again to the basics, because whenever we study the type of composite material, we know that different types of polymers, phenolics, polyesters, epoxies that are used as a matrix material, and different types of geometries like fiber, particles, flakes, ceramics, metals. These are used as a reinforcing agents. So matrix and reinforcement both are important, and both are equally useful for the manufacturing of the composite material. Is it okay? So the most familiar form of continuous fiber, that cloth, is also used as a woven or roving type of material for the fiber. It is fiber reinforced plastic. Similarly, mats can also be used. So mat forms, that is also commercially used for manufacturing the composite materials. Is it okay? The molding compounds and prepegs. So that short information we will try to take here. And, FRP composite molding compound consists of a resin matrix with short randomly dispersed fibers. Is it okay? Now exactly what is going to happen, which are various fundamentals of this manufacturing, that first of all we will go, and then one by one process we will go for. So during basic discussion, we have used the word prepegs. And prepegs, we know that this is the pre-impregnated. The meaning of prepegs is the pre-impregnated. That means when reinforcement is already impregnated inside the matrix material, then that is considered to be prepegs. Means fiber are impregnated with partially cured resins to facilitate shape of the processing. So these are available in the form of tapes, or cross-plied sheets or fabrics. So curing is completed during and after shaping. Is it okay? So these are the prepegs. So number of times the prepegs are used for manufacturing the composite material. Now open mold processing. So fiber reinforced plastic shaping processes that uses a single positive or negative mold. Is it okay? So we will try to go for using the different techniques with the help of some figures. So let us have your look on this screen, and just go for one by one method. We will start here. So this is one of the common technique used in case of fiber reinforced plastic, which is called as a hand layup technique. Is it okay? Now, how this hand layup technique is useful to manufacture the composite material, that you should look on it. Is it okay? What is here? This is particularly mold. Is it okay? So here you can see, I'm showing with the help of cursor. Is it okay? So here the first figure, or here figure 1, you can see here. in that figure 1, what is given here? This is the mold is given. Is it okay? We are interested to manufacture a composite material of this particular shape. Then this shape, the mold of this shape, that first we will require. Is it okay? Then here you can observe what is shown here. So this part which is shown here is first of all its coating is done. Is it okay? So mold is treated with mold releasing agent. So this mold releasing agent is first of all required, which is shown in figure 1. Is it okay? So this mold releasing agent means what? This particular small part of these agents that are sprinkled on the surface of internal surface of this mold, so that whenever we are keeping the different matrix and reinforcement on this gel, so that will release this composite material. Is it okay? Now see, in as shown in figure 2, is it okay? In this figure 2, it is shown that this when gel coat is present on the surface of this particular portion, then later on, one by one, we are keeping. So in figure 1, only mold releasing agent is applied here. Is it okay? As shown in figure 2 here, thin gel coat is applied. Here you can see this is the resin. So this resin is applied here. Thin gel coat resin is applied to the outside surface of this molding. Is it okay? So this is the mold, and on this mold, this particular thin gel coat resin is applied to the outside surface of the mold. Is it okay? So here you can see the resin is first of all, after this mold releasing agent, this resin is kept here. Is it okay? Then as shown in this figure 3, when gel coat has partially set, the layer of resin and fibers are applied. Is it okay? Alternate layer of resin, then layer of fiber, then layer of resin. Like this, alternate layers of resin and fiber that are applied here. So how many number of layers we are interested in? If we are interested in 3 layers of the fiber, that much only. If we are interested more than that, 20 layers of fiber, that may be applied here. Is it okay? The how many number of layers we want, what the thickness we want, what the strength we want, in which application we are going to use. Based on that, the number of layers of the fiber and resin that is kept here as shown in figure 3. So first of all, this fiber will be kept, then resin will be applied. Is it okay? Once this resin is applied, then this roller which is shown here, you can see here this roller is present, and this roller is rolled on this surface. Is it okay? So maybe it is the surface of resin and this what we can say it as reinforcement is and matrix is resin. Is it okay? Reinforcement may be fiber and matrix is resin. And once resin is applied, this particular roller is applied on that, so that it will form one structure. It will generate one kind of structure here. Is it okay? Then here gel coat has partially set and layers of resins and fibers are applied. The fiber is in the form of mat or cloth. Is it okay? The fiber is in the form of mat or cloth. Each layer is rolled. Once fiber is stick, then one layer of matrix is applied. Then roller is applied on that. Is it okay? So matrix and roller on that. So alternate layer of this fiber and matrix that are applied here, and then due to application of that rollers, this particular layers will get generated here. Is it okay? This layer is rolled to impregnate the fiber with resin. Once roller we are applying on this surface, then due to the application of that roller, this matrix reinforcement material will get embedded inside the matrix, and this will form this kind of shape here. Is it okay? So each layer is rolled to impregnate the fiber with resin, and air is removed here. Is it okay? This air is removed here. Is it okay? Then this part is allowed to curing process. So as shown in this figure 4, the curing process is allowed. So curing means it is kept as it is for 4 hours, 8 hours, 16 hours, or 24 hours, like this, as per the curing period. Which kind of matrix material we are using, the curing period of that. With the help of that, we are keeping the that time. Is it okay? And once this curing period is over, then we are removing this finished part. So that must very easy process. This in case of composite material is having. Is it okay? So number of times very different types of products are now manufactured with the help of this kind of techniques. Is it okay? So whatever the domestic appliances like uh, various we can say that plastic FRP now Samruddhi is one of the company which deals with these different domestic products, and this may be in terms of buckets and all these shapes, different types of shape, bowls, etc. So all these are now manufactured with this. So whatever the products of this fiber reinforced plastic, inside which carbon fiber, glass fiber as per the requirements are used, and epoxy or any other kind of matrix materials that are used. Is it okay? So this is very simple type of manufacturing process which is called as the hand layup method. Is it okay? So what commercial products that are manufactured with the help of this hand layup technique? Inside that, boat hulls. Is it okay? Because these are light in weight, so these are useful in marine application because corrosion resistance is good, and that's why the hulls of the boat, then swimming pools, now domestic swimming pools, short sized swimming pools, that are also manufactured with this hand layup technique. Large container tanks, is it okay? The container tanks are also manufactured. Movie and stage, that are also means if any setup is expected to form with small span of time, the setup can be prepared here. Is it okay? Then other formed sheets that are also manufactured. The largest molding ever made was ship hull for British Royal Navy. That is 280 feet long. You can see, you can understand that how much long, 280 feet long. Near about, if we see here, then 100 meter approximately. So that much length of this mold has been manufactured with the help of this hand layup technique. It is very simple, and you can use here. Is it okay? Then a spray up process. Is it okay? So here you can see the liquid resin and chopped fibers are sprayed onto the open mold to build a successive fiber reinforced plastic laminations. Is it okay? Here you can see that this is the spray up method, resin spray up and chopped fibers. Besides, in hand layup technique, we were using the roller, but here what we are doing, we are using here chopping mechanism. Is it okay? Continuous roving or chopping mechanism that is used. So liquid resin that is added, whatever part is shown here, the before nozzle, the inside the nozzle, this liquid resin is melted liquid resin that is kept, and with the help of this nozzle, we are pouring the matrix material on the reinforcement material. Is it okay? So here you can see the chopping mechanism. So continuous roving is carried here. That means continuous fiber is added here. You can see here these two rollers are present. Is it okay? Here two rollers are present, and below that this nozzle is present. Means resin spray and chopped fibers. Here chopped fibers means small pieces of the fibers that are continuously fed here, and these continuously fed reinforcement parts on one side, another side liquid resin that is coming, and by combining these two we are getting the spread resin layer here. Is it okay? Here you can see this is one layer has been formed here, and this is small component which is manufactured. Earlier we have seen that in hand layup technique, the alternate layer of the matrix and reinforcement that was kept, and that alternate layer of matrix and reinforcement in order to form the fiber reinforced plastic on which roller was used to um, to remove the air which is impregnated inside the matrix and reinforcements. Is it okay? But here the continuously roving of the fiber, chopped fibers, that is happening, means this roller will move, and this continuous supply of this fiber or chopped fibers will happen. At the same time, the matrix material in the form of sprays, that is spread over here, and the combine this particular shape that will give us the required shape here, which is called as the spray up method. Is it okay? So hand lap technique and spray up method. Now, with the help of this spray up technique, what is manufactured? Boat hulls, bathtubs, shower stalls, automobiles, truck body parts, recreational vehicle components, furniture, large structural panels, containers, a different stage and setup preparation. Is it okay? For films, whatever the setups are required, so that setups, stages, that are also prepared with the help of this spray up technique. In short duration of time, if you have to construct the things, then it is very useful method. Since product made by spray up have randomly oriented short fibers, they are not as strong as those made up of layup, in which the fibers are continuous and directed. Is it okay? So here you can see how this spray up technique is used. Then one another kind of technique which is used in case of this composite material or fiber reinforced plastic, and which is very common, which very commonly used, is the vacuum bagging process. Is it okay? In which the vacuum is created. As far as concerned with this layup sequence for bagging operation, you can see here at the bottom here one tool is present, then laminate is present, over which this sealant flash tapes are present, vacuum valve is present here, vacuum hose is present here, breathers are present here, bagging films are present, then bleeders are present, peel ply or perform releasing film is present, then pressure sensitive tape is present here. Is it okay? So if I am interested to manufacture the component with this particular shape, this will become as one kind of mold for me. Is it okay? Then how I am trying to manufacture, how I am trying to prepare this? So the ply or released film which is present on this tool, here you can see this is the released ply. So here at atmospheric pressure, the air is sucked under vacuum bag. Is it okay? So here we can say that vacuum hose is present here. At this point, this vacuum hose is present. So this vacuum hose, what it will do? It will suck the air. So atmospheric air is present in this particular region, where with the help of this vacuum hose and this vacuum wall, this air is sucked here. Is it okay? Then layers from bottom include mold release, composite peel ply, breather cloth, vacuum bag, also need vacuum valve and sealing tape. Is it okay? Now exactly how it is happening? Automatic. Here you can see automatic vacuum bolt. This means this particular operations, how it will happen, that whenever this particular hose pipe inside which this vacuum creation will happen, due to this vacuum creation will happen, this wall will get open and the air will be sucked here. Due to this, what is going to happen? This shape, whatever. So here you can see the setup is also shown here on this particular portion. This this particular hose pipe is applied here. This is the wall. Is it okay? Due to sucking, what will happen? The matrix which is present, so that matrix will start to flow. Laminate is already present here. Is it okay? You can see here. Here peel ply or perforated release film that is present here. Here bleeder is present, release film is present here. So this particular part which required, the material which required, that is already present here. Due to presence of this vacuum creation here, matrix material will get sucked and this will get spread over all this reinforced region in order to manufacture the particular component of this particular shape. Is it okay? Then automated tape laying machine. So already now we were discussing about the pre-pegs. Pre-pegs means pre-impregnated fiber. Is it okay? So pre-impregnated, that is pre-pegs. So already the fiber or reinforcement that is impregnated inside the matrix material. So maybe the polymer is LDP, HDP, like this, the polymer elements, polypropylene, polyethylene, polyoxymethylene. All these are the matrix or polymers. And inside that, if some fiber is impregnated already, then that will be automatic tape. Is it okay? So this open mold and this programmed path, typical machine consists of overhead gantry to which disposal head is attached. Is it okay? Here you can see how this automatic pre-pegs, these are present. Automatic tape laying machine is shown here. Is it okay? So this is the courtesy of here you can see how this particular pre-impregnated tape is present, and when this directly tape is used in order to manufacture the specific part. Is it okay? Then in all cases, curing is one of the important part. So curing is required, maybe curing at room temperature or curing at high temperature, that is kept, that is carried. This is because due to this curing, the particular strength or particular setting will going to happen, and due to this setting or due to this particular process, the strength of this particular expected polymer matrix composite or pre-impregnated part, that is going to happen properly. Is it okay? Then the next part is injection molding. Is it okay? So for polymer matrix composite, the two kind of injection molding processes that are carried. Injection molding is noted for low cost production of the plastic part in large quantities. Is it okay? Although most closely associated with thermoplastics, thermosets and thermoplasts, these two things we have already discussed, that is those which can be reused. These are thermoplasts, and which can't be reused, that is the thermoset. Is it okay? Injection molding is most closely associated with thermoplastic, and the process can also be adapted for thermosets also. Is it okay? So normally this injection molding process is of two types. One is conventional injection molding and another is reinforced reaction. Now conventional injection molding, that is used for both means in fiber reinforced plastics. Is it okay? Virtually all these plasts. Is it okay? So we say that thermosets and thermoplasts. TP is used for thermoplast and TS is used for thermoset. Is it okay? So these are used for both thermoplast and thermoset type of fiber reinforced plastics. Virtually all this TPs means thermoplastics can be reinforced with the fibers. So chopped fiber means small pieces of the fibers. You know, chopped continuous fiber and chopped fiber. There is a difference between these two. Chopped fiber means small pieces of the fibers. And during injection into mold cavity, fibers tend to become aligned as they pass through the nozzle. So conventional and reinforced reaction injection molding. So reaction injection molding is different type in which two reactive ingredients are mixed and injected into mold cavity. Where curing and solidification occur due to chemical reaction. Reinforced reaction injection molding is similar to reaction injection molding but includes reinforcing fibers and typically glass fibers. Is it okay? So this about the injection molding process. Injection molding is also conventional type of injection molding and particularly reinforced reaction injection molding process is there. Then one more type of manufacturing process is the filament winding process. Is it okay? So we may know the filament winding process here. A figure is shown. You can refer this figure on the screen. You can see the figure on the screen so that we will come to know that how this particular process of filament winding process happens here. Is it okay? So here you can see that as shown on this filament winding process, this continuous winding, that means the two pulleys are present here as shown here. These two pulleys are present here, and on these pulleys, this continuous roving process will happen. Is it okay? So continuous roving process will happen here. That means whatever the filament which is wound here, this filament that will be wound here. Then on this resin bath, this is allowed to pass. So from this resin bath, it will allow, and then it will be wound on this rotating mandrel. Is it okay? So here you can see the drive box is present here. Then here carriage is present here. Then these pulleys are present here, and this resin bath is present. So in filament winding process, how this process is happening? Continuous roving, these two pulleys. So this particular bundle which consists of reinforcement. Is it okay? So this bundle consists of reinforcement, but these are the continuous type of reinforcements. Is it okay? So when we unwound them, these pulleys when starts to rotate, automatically this will get unwounded. Then that is passing through this resin bath, means matrix material present here. Then once this is passing through the resin bath, these are rotated here, and this rotating mandrel will rotate. This is the dry box is present. So this process is continuously going on in order to go for this is like is a filament winding. At the same time, what is happening? This particular pulley has not only a rotating but reciprocating motion also. Is it okay? This pulley will not only rotate but it will reciprocate also. And due to this reciprocating motion, but not only rotating motion, this particular tape which is present here, this will get wound on this mandrel and continuous it will happen here. So filament winding machine, you can see here how this filament winding machines, here you can see that this is the particular mandrel is present, and this is wound with the help of different filaments here. Is it okay? Then the important one more method is the pultrusion process. Is it okay? So pultrusion process, you can see here, this figure is shown here in pultrusion process, how this process happens here. Is it okay? So this particular section is shown here. Then rollers are present here. Through these rollers, these sections are passing. Is it okay? So this section, the rollers will pass these particular sections here. Then it will pass inside the die. Is it okay? So through die, then it will go for the pre-die former. From die, it will go for the pre-die former. Then it will pass through the pulleys. Then from pulleys, this first, second, third, and fourth pulleys. The pulleys are present here. These pulleys, these reinforcements pass through the resin bath. Is it okay? Once it will pass through the resin bath, Then with the help of this particular apparatus which is shown here, at the same time, the different locations, these krills are going to wound and get going to form here. Is it okay? So how this particular impregnation or pre-preg formation process is happening here, that is shown in the pultrusion process. This particular section which is passing through this pre-roll pull rollers, from pull rollers it is going through the die, then it is going to the pre-die former, then with the help of these pulleys it is passing through this resin bath. Is it okay? So then again with the help of this particular mandrel which is shown here with these shapes, at the same time continuously 1, 2, 3, 4 krills that are forming here. Is it okay? So you can see how this pultrusion process happens in this case here. Is it okay? So extrusion, pultrusion that produce continuous straight sections of constant cross sections. So near about in 1950, this particular process was developed for glass fiber reinforced polymers. A related process called pulp forming is used to make the parts that are curved and which may be variants. Now, continuous fiber rovings are dipped into resin bath and pulled into shaping die, where the impregnated resin cures. The sections produced are reinforced throughout their length by continuous fiber. Is it okay? Then, like extrusion, the pieces have a constant cross section whose profile is determined by the shapes of die opening. The cured product is cut into long straight sections. Is it okay? And then common resin, unsaturated polyesters, epoxies, and silicons, all these are the thermoset polymers. Is it okay? Unsaturated polyesters, epoxies, silicons, all these are the thermoset polymers. So these are used commonly for this pultrusion process. Is it okay? And for reinforcementing phase, E-glass is most widely used in 30 to 70%. And solid rods, tubing, long flat sheets, structural sections, tool handles for high voltage work, these are manufactured with the help of this pultrusion process. Then pulp forming, pultrusion with addition steps to form a length into the semicircular counter and alter the cross section at one or more location with the length. Pultrusion is limited to straight sections of constant cross section. There is also a need for long part with continuous fiber reinforcement and that curved rather than straight, whose cross section is very throughout. Now here pulp forming process, how it happens that you see. Like pultrusion, one more method is pulp forming method. Is it okay? Here you can see in pulp forming what is happening. This particular part you are going to manufacture. Here this part is shown. We are interested to manufacture this part. This is the mold shape. This is the die shoe. Is it okay? This is shaping die here. So this particular die which is shown here, and this particular part which is passed through here. This is the mold shape. So this section is passed in this shaping die. Then this die shoe portion is present here, and this pulp-formed part is present here. Is it okay? So pulp forming process, which is shown here, like this. This is continuously happening in order to give the output in particular form. Is it okay? So this is centrifugal casting, tube rolling, continuous laminating, cutting of FRPs. Then, in addition, many traditional thermoplastic processes that are blow molding, thermoforming, and extrusion. Is it okay? So here you can see the different manufacturing of this particular parts here. Is it okay? So apart from this, if we see here, So hand layup already we have seen. We have automatic tapering operation, that also we have seen. Compression molding, that is one of the process that you can see here. Now I am going to show you this compression molding process. Is it okay? So see here, in compression molding, here you can see this particular part, this female mold hub. Now you should see this particular figure which is in front of you. You just refer this particular figure on your screen, where here you can see this particular portion. So this is used for compression molding. Is it okay? Now, how this compression molding works? So here it is the male mold half, and here it is the female mold half. Is it okay? Male mold half is at its bottom, and female mold half is at its top. Is it okay? Now this molding compound or charge of which the product we are going to manufacture. Is it okay? And the product which we are going to manufacture, so that is kept on this portion. Is it okay? So here male mold half and female mold half is shown here. Is it okay? Heat and pressure, that is supplied. So this particular mold is heated. After heating that particular mold, we will get this particular shape here. Is it okay? So compression molding, this process is carried on this particular portion, where this charge is kept on this male mold half, and heat and pressure is applied. So pressure will be applied on this female mold, but this particular male mold will be heated. Once this pressure is applied, and once this compound or charge will get take this particular shape. Okay, here you can see this how this shape is changing here. The pressure is applied at the top side. Then this vacuum port is present, sealing gaskets are present, elastomer diaphragms are present here, the control systems are here. Then due to application of this heat and pressure, this desired shape that is manufactured here. Is it okay? So here this compression molding, that process is carried like this. Simultaneously, now only we have seen how the pultrusion process is carried. Here you can observe how this pultrusion process that is carried. The figures of this pultrusion process that can be also shown here. Is it okay? So these are also some of the shapes. Is it okay? So here you can say the autoclave manufacturing or curing process, that is also here. Is it okay? Then this about all these are about the type of manufacturing, and this manufacturing are fiber reinforced plastic manufacturing. Is it okay? As far as concerned with this fiber reinforced plastic manufacturing, these all the methods which is shown here that are used. But apart from that, there are few of the methods which are useful, which are used in case of other composite materials. In short, in 5 to 10 minutes, we'll take look on that particular manufacturing processes also. Is it okay? Now we are familiar with all kind of this manufacturing process, all kind of matrix and reinforcement material. And here we know that this particular particulate composite, how these particular components looks, this is the shape. Whisker reinforced, then continuous reinforced, and this is the laminate reinforced. How these composite materials are available, that we can see here. Is it okay? So when we say the particulate composite, when aspect ratio is 1:4, when aspect ratio is 1:25, when aspect ratio short fiber or whiskers. So like this, this particular with reference to aspect ratio, we are classifying them. Is it okay? Now let us have this conventional casting method. Is it okay? You just look here, the conventional casting method. In that conventional casting method, what is happening? This particular grade of aluminum that is used, the ceramic particles are used. The aluminum and this ceramic particles that are completely mixed here. Then once this particular two ceramic reinforcement, this matrix material are mixed here. These are melted together. Is it okay? And after melting these together, then here expected shapes that are manufactured. This is the conventional casting method. Is it okay? Simply ceramics and this aluminum together melted, and this melt is then later on poured for particular shape. Is it okay? But there is certain limitation because high dense material will get accumulated at the bottom, and that's why homogeneous distribution will not happen. So in order to remove this method is used. This is called as a stir casting method. Is it okay? So in this stir casting method, what is done? One stirrer is applied, one stirrer is used here, and the stirring process is carried. Particles are added here, and then this particular particles and this reinforcement will get mixed together in order to form the small pieces of this composite material. Is it okay? Here you can see one more method of centrifugal casting also. In centrifugal casting method, what is carried? So this reinforcements which is present here. So this particular portion which is matrix material is poured here. So this centrifuge means this is removed here. The controlled atmospheric chamber is here. Liquid MMC is poured here, and heated rotating mold is present here. So here these reinforcements are added, and after adding reinforcement, this is revolved here. So we will get the round shape. Is it okay? When we are interested to form the round shape, this method is used. Then here you can see the infiltration process. Is it okay? How this infiltration process is there? So this is aluminum magnesium alloy. The refractory fillers are present inside this one here. So 700 to 1000 degrees centigrade with N2 atmosphere here, because in order to reduce the oxidation, this nitrogen is present here. Is it? So metal matrix composite is manufactured here by adding this reinforcement inside the metal here. Is it okay? So here you can say the agitator, whiskers and water slurry is present here, piston is present here, and this fiber preform that is manufactured with the help of this simple method. Is it okay? So here you can see the agitation process, demolding process and drying process in order to manufacture. Is it okay? Then squeeze casting is one of the important part that we should know. The squeeze casting is a process in which what is happening? This particular liquid metal is poured here, reinforcement fiber or particle forms are present here, then the pressure is applied on that. Due to application of pressure, we will get the uniform shape of that particular part. Is it okay? Here you can see the spray core deposition. Is it okay? So these silicon carbide particles and these heating elements are present here. Spray chamber is present here. Rollers are present here. Is it okay? So round spirit deposit billets are present here, and exhaust is present here. So how this spray deposition method that happens, that we can understand here. Is it okay? So some solid state processes like our powder metallurgy process, that is also used in this case. Is it okay? You can see here for powder metallurgical processes how this is happening here. Is it okay? So as usual, compaction, sintering. So here compaction in composite material with matrix and reinforcement is kept here. Then that is compacted here. After compaction is made, initial stage, intermediate stage, final stage is shown here. So as usual, this with powder metallurgical processes that we can manufacture this kind of composite materials. Is it okay? So this is about brief of the different manufacturing processes of the composite materials. Is it okay?